Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we have a short video. I received two packages, one from PCGS and one from Germania Mint. Let's start with PCGS. I sent a couple of coins 2 months ago and surprisingly I received the package today. And this is something really good about PCGS recently, that the lead time of coin grading improved a lot comparing to COVID era. I remember back on those days it took like 1 year to get your coins back. Now 2 months and you can receive your coins. So the first coin we have here is 1971, 1000 Rials, and we got this proof 65 decam. This is a coin from the Persian Empire. The other coin here is the same, 1971, the 750 Rials, proof 67 decam. So these two coins are below expectation. So I think the customer may not be happy with these coins. Yeah, because if you look at the PCGS data, I think you will see as well proof 69 and for the both denomination. This coin is 1974, 1 Egyptian pound, October war. This war, this is a commemorative coin of October war. This is 1914 or Taisho, the third year, 1 yen coin. It's a beautiful coin, AU 58. We have then here the 5 Egyptian pound. This is Land Reform Bank, 1979 or 1399 after Hijrah, which is the Islamic calendar. This coin considered to be a rare coin. I believe the Egyptian Mint, they didn't mint a lot of this coin. Then we have here the 1968 5 pounds from Egypt. This is a commemorative coin, the celebration of 1400 years of Qur'an. I think that this coin, this MS67, is the highest grade in this coin. I was hoping that this coin can maybe get MS68, but yeah, grading is, it is what it is. So then this coin, this 1903 MS Meiji 36, 1 yen. They graded it as undetailed, and I was doubting about this coin, and I said let's give it a chance. If you look at this coin, and this is one important thing I just wanted to share here, that grading is very, very tricky, and a lot of times when you send the coin and receive your coin back, you get these kind of surprises. If you look at this coin, it looks really, really nice. I had a doubt that this coin been dipped in you know, in a cleaning agent or polishing. The reason why is because if you look at the coin edge here, it may be difficult to see, but if you look at the edge here, you see that there is slightly a difference in color between the coin edge versus surface. So I had a doubt that this coin has been dipped. So see here, it's not easy to see, but yeah, there was a little bit difference between the coin edge here and the surface. And usually this is very important to compare these two surfaces between the edge and the coin surface, because usually, you know, people try to play with the surface, not the edge of the coin. But I said, okay, let's give it a chance and see. And yeah, it came as Ankh detail. So this is, let's say, the 1 ounce or 1 ounce below coins. I also sent 2 medals from Saudi Arabia. These 2 medals. And for the medal or the coin that is above the 1 ounce, it's usually put it in this kind of bigger holder. The first one to graded proof 67, and as you can see here, it's really very nice coin. It's a very nice mirror finish. And the other one graded at proof 65. So that's for the PCGS package. I also brought some coins. So these are the quarter ounce Britannia. Quarter ounce Britannia 2025. Each one tube contains 19 coins. It looks great, people like them, but if you are looking to stack, I would not recommend to buy the quarter ounces because it has expensive premium. So instead of buying and paying for 4 quarters of premium, you can just buy and pay for 1 ounce premium instead of paying for 4 quarters. I also brought 1 gram gold from Germania Mint. I have 2. See, here's Germania Mint. 3 nines, fine rolled 1 gram. Germania Mint. It looks nice. I really like Germania Mint's product, but it's same idea as well. If you afford to buy, let's say, 5 grams worth of gold, you can buy the 5 gram bar, not 5 1 bar grams, because you have to pay the premium 5 times. So you have to pay the people who produce this and the supplier that produces, you know, paper, board, etc. Then last but not least, this beautiful 1 kilo bar from Germania. One unique thing about Germania is the packaging. Packaging is really nice. See here, Germania Mint, and you can see even this this is not a usual printing. This is like an emboss or a deboss printing. You can feel the letters as if it's an actual bar. So this is one thing really I like about Germania Mint. Their product really stands when it comes to design and the beauty. So see, it looks very nice. This is a logo, Germania Mint, 3 nines, fine silver, 1000 gram, and serial number. By the way, a lot of mints, they don't have serial number for the 1 kilo. It's generic. But Germania Mint is really very nice having this 1 kilo serial number in 1 kilo. And then you have this watermark, very beautiful. So very nice. Last week I made a video about the 100 gram bar, and you can see the difference here. Very nice. And same as well, if you afford to buy the 1 kilo, buy the 1 kilo instead of the 100 gram, because instead of buying and paying premium 10 times for each bar of the 100 grams, you can only pay premium 1 time for the 1 kilo. I hope that makes sense. Yeah, and that's all for today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And let me know what bar or what coin are you interested in the comments so that I can bring it to you. Thank you so much, and I wish you a very good day. Bye-bye.